Now what will we do? All my ideas failed. Nothing soft, but I know what will work for her. I have to go. Hurry up, Nancy. Come on. Nancy, you have hiccups. What to do? What to do? What to do? I have an idea. Nancy, drink water. Your hiccup will be gone. See, no hiccup. You finished the water. Nothing inside here. Oh no. What will we do now? Idea. Nancy, your hiccup stopped. Oh no. Jump higher, Nancy. I told you this idea would work. What to do? See, your hiccup's gone. Oh no! What will we do now? Right, sit, crisscross, and hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, your hiccups are gone.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Oh no!
Now what do I do?
I think one idea. Let's do it. I got a lemon. Lick it and your hiccups will be gone. See, my lemon worked. You have no hiccups.
Thank you, Lisa.
Now what will we do? All my ideas failed. Nothing solved Nancy's hiccups. But I know what will work for her. I have to go.
Oh my god! Help! Full!
See, it's me. Your hiccup stopped. Let's see, you're a scary cat. Scary cat. See, your hiccups are soft.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Isn't it so relaxing, Nancy? No hiccups. We can even play our favorite game, right, Nancy?
Yeah, Lisa, I'm so happy.
What's that, me?
You have hiccups, Lisa.
Oh